XLOOKUP function in Excel is better than VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, and index match. It is flexible as it can find data in all directions, while the VLOOKUP can only find data in one direction. Let's see with practical example. Here's our sample data. This data contains employee ID, full name, department, job title, salary, and hire date. XLOOKUP is a search tool which searches the data for us based on our provided criteria. In this scenario, we have employee name here and we need to find the job title from below data. Let's see how. We shall use the XLOOKUP function. The first thing it is asking from us that lookup value. Lookup value will be the employee name. We will click on this cell to get the employee name. Now we need to provide a lookup array. The lookup array will be a column where all employee name will exist because we want to make this formula flexible. Later on we will only change the name and it will work for us. So the lookup array is our name column, comma. The next thing it is asking that return array. Return array is a column from where we need to find our output, like the job title. Job title column is our return array. I'll click here and then select the entire column. That's all for now. We shall close the parenthesis and hit enter. We have found a value front-end developer. Let's verify this if our output is right. David came front-end developer. It's mean our formula worked fine. Now let's see how it is flexible. Let's suppose we need to find the same detail for another employee. I will not amend the formula, just I will give a new name. And now you see that we have got the different job title, that is recruiter. Let's verify it. Our data is correct and formula is working fine. The first and most important benefit of the XLOOKUP that it can find and search values in the both direction. Let's suppose we have this name and we need to find the employee ID for this name. So our lookup value is employee name while our result is employee ID that is available on the left side of the criteria. Normally if you use the VLOOKUP, it will not work for you because the VLOOKUP only searches the value to the right side. Let's see how. I will type the XLOOKUP, then lookup value, lookup array, return array in this scenario will be employee ID column, close parenthesis and hit enter, and now you've seen that it has found employee ID for us that is available on the left side. Normally VLOOKUP can't do this for us. Now let's see another example. Let's suppose if I give a criteria or a name which is not available in our database, what this XLOOKUP will do for us. Let's suppose I give my name and you've seen that it is showing us #NA error. Let's make it more flexible. What we will do, I'll click here on the already written formula, type the comma, and you see that it is giving us condition. If not found, what we want to show? We want to show a meaningful message. No record. Now hit enter and now you can see that it is showing us no record. This is more meaningful than NA error. We can do the same in this. So this is the flexibility of XLOOKUP over the VLOOKUP. Now let's use it once again find the employee salary based on employee ID. In this scenario, the lookup value is employee ID. I will type equal, use XLOOKUP. Lookup value is employee ID. Lookup array, employee ID column. The return array is salary column. I'll select the salary column. That's all. Close parentheses and hit enter. We have got this salary. Let's suppose you want to see the complete detail of one record, not only the salary or job title. What we will do, we shall use the same XLOOKUP function to do it. XLOOKUP. Here the lookup value is employee ID. Lookup array is employee ID column. And now instead of giving the return array a single column, I will give it an entire range. Type here, I am going to give it the entire range. This will give us the complete detail of the record rather than a single field. Close the formula, hit enter, and you've seen that we have got the full record based on our provided criteria. I will change this column because it's a salary, it's a date, so we will convert it to date so that it can show the date. Now see that if I change the employee ID to 106, it has changed the data for me. If I type employee 102, and now I have got the different detail. That's the flexibility of XLOOKUP over the VLOOKUP which we have learned today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and share with others to help them. Comment below the topic name you want me to make video on. See you in the next one.